Hi everyone! Today we have a really cool Montessori puzzle. We're going to look for pieces that have numbers, shapes, and all of these colorful pieces that have dinosaurs on them. Let's start with the numbers. Our first piece is going to have the number 1. Do you see the number 1? Yes! Here's our number 1, and our number 1 is blue. The next piece is going to have the number 2. Here's our number 2. The number 2 piece is blue as well. Is this blue lighter or darker than that blue? It's lighter. What number is on our next puzzle piece? 3. And do you see number 3 in the top row or the bottom row? You got it! Number 3 is in the bottom row. And our number 3 is blue. So we had 1, 2, 3. The next piece will have the number 4. And here's our number 4. Our puzzle piece with the number 4 is a blue-green color. What comes after 4? 5. And what color is our number 5 puzzle piece going to be? Green, you got it! And here's our puzzle piece with the number 5. Next, we need to find a light green puzzle piece with the number 6. This kind of looks like a 6. Is that the puzzle piece we need? No, that's the number 9, and it's orange. Here's our puzzle piece, light green with the number 6. After 6, we'll look for the puzzle piece with the number 7. Here's number 7. What color is our number 7? That's right, yellow. And after 7, we're going to find a puzzle piece with the number 8. Which of these pieces is number 8? Wow, you're so good with your numbers. Here's our number 8 puzzle piece, and it's orange. Only 2 numbers left. Next, we're going to look for number 9. We saw number 9. I thought it looked like a 6. Here's our puzzle piece with the number 9, and it's a dark orange. And our last number is 10. That's right. Great job. And here's number 10, and that piece is red. 1, 0. That makes 10. Next, we're going to look for puzzle pieces in different shapes. The first puzzle piece we need to find has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. That's called a square. Do you see a shape that looks like that? I see 2 shapes that have 4 sides. But which one are all equal in length? Great job! Our first puzzle piece is a square. The next piece we're going to look for is perfectly round. Do you know what that shape is called? That's right, it's called a circle. Circles are perfectly round. They have no edges. The next puzzle piece we need to find is called a triangle, and it has 3 sides. Do you see a shape that has 3 sides? Perfect, yes! Here's a triangle with 1, 2, 3 sides. The next shape we need to find is a star. Here it is. How many sides does our star have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our star has 10 sides. Or if we counted the points, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've done square, circle, triangle, star. What's this shape? It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. That shape is called a hexagon, and it's going to be green. We have 2 green shapes. Which one has 6 sides? You got it! This shape is a hexagon, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Next, we're going to look for a piece in the shape of a rectangle. Rectangles look a lot like squares, but one of their sides is longer. We saw that rectangle earlier. Here's our rectangle. It has 1, 2 shorter sides and 1, 2 longer sides. The next puzzle piece we need to find is yellow in the shape of a heart. Is our heart in the top row or the bottom row? You got it! Here's our yellow heart. It was on the bottom row of our shapes. We have 1, 2, 3 pieces left. These pieces are all in the shapes of mathematical equation signs. Our first one is a cross, or the plus sign. You use that when you're adding numbers together. Which one of these looks like the cross? It should have one line going down and one line going across. Awesome job! Here's our cross or plus sign. It has one line that goes down and one line that goes across. The next piece we're going to look for is the minus sign. It has one line across. We only have 2 pieces left. That's right. Whoop. It tried to run away. This is our minus sign. It's just one line across. You would use that when you're subtracting numbers from one another. Like we had 2 puzzle pieces left and we took one away, so we only have 1 left. And our last piece is going to be the equal sign. It has 1, 2 lines. And here's our equal sign. This is what you would use at the end of your math equation. So if you were adding 2 numbers together or subtracting 2 numbers, you would use one of your signs first, and then the equal sign at the end to get your results. Next, we're going to look at some colorful puzzle pieces with dinosaurs on them. Our first puzzle piece has a yellow dinosaur with spikes on his back. Let's take a good look. Can you find a puzzle piece that looks like that? What about this one? He has spikes on his back. That's right, he's green. We need to find a puzzle piece that has a yellow dinosaur with spikes on his back. You see it? Yes, that's it. Here's our puzzle piece with a yellow dinosaur with spikes on his back. Our next piece is going to have a red background with a dinosaur that has 2 spikes on his head. We have 3 pieces with a red background. Which one of those looks like the piece that we need? You got it! This piece has a red background with a dinosaur with 2 spikes on his head. Our next puzzle piece has a light blue background with a red dinosaur with spines all over his back. Oh, I see it. Here he is. It's a light blue background with a red dinosaur with spines on his back. The next puzzle piece we need to find has an orange background, and he kind of looks like an iguana. Do you see a puzzle piece that looks like that? Awesome job! He has an orange background, and he kind of looks like an iguana. Have you ever seen an iguana? Some people keep iguanas as pets. The next puzzle piece we need to find has a purple dinosaur with stripes. Here's a purple dinosaur. Is that the one we need? No, you're right. He doesn't have any stripes. What about this dinosaur? He has stripes. No, that's right. He's not purple. Here's our puzzle piece. This puzzle piece has a green background with a purple dinosaur with stripes. For our next puzzle piece, we need to find one that has a red background, and that animal looks like he could be swimming in water. Here it is. Here's our red puzzle piece with an animal that looks like it's swimming in water. The next puzzle piece we need to find has a green background with a blue and yellow dinosaur, and he has a hump on his back. You see it? Great job! You were so quick! This puzzle piece has a green background, and our dinosaur has a hump on his back. The next puzzle piece we need to find has a yellow background, and that creature has wings. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow puzzle pieces. Do you see one that has a creature with wings? That's right! This puzzle piece has a yellow background, and this creature has 2 very large wings. Our next puzzle piece is pretty long, and it has a green background with a blue dinosaur. Here it is. Here's our long puzzle piece that's green, and it has a blue dinosaur. He has fins, so I bet he's swimming. The next puzzle piece we're going to look for has a yellow dinosaur with purple spots, and it looks like a purple beak. Do you see any yellow dinosaurs? These pieces have yellow backgrounds. Oh, you got it! This piece has a yellow dinosaur with purple spots and a purple beak. Now let's see if we can find this puzzle piece. It has a blue background, and the dinosaur walks on 4 legs and has stripes. Oh, I see it! Here's our puzzle piece. It's got the blue background, 4 legs on the ground, and he has stripes. The next puzzle piece we need to find has a yellow background, and it has a green dinosaur walking on 2 legs. Can you find the puzzle piece? I see 3 green dinosaurs that are on 2 legs. But which one has a yellow background with stripes? That's amazing! You're so good at this! This puzzle piece has a yellow background with a green dinosaur with stripes. The last puzzle piece we need for this row has a blue background with a gray dinosaur, and he looks like he's smiling. You found it? That's it! Here's our puzzle piece with a blue background with a gray dinosaur that's smiling. He says, "Thank you for finding me." Our next puzzle piece has a dinosaur that walks on 4 legs and has 3 horns. Do you see a puzzle piece that looks like that? Wow! That's it! This puzzle piece has an orange background, and the dinosaur walks on 4 legs and has 1, 2, 3 horns. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 puzzle pieces left. The next one that we need to find has a red background, and the dinosaur has spikes all over his back. Oh, I got it! Here it is! Oh wait, that's not right. He has spikes on his back, but we need a puzzle piece that has a red background. Here it is. This puzzle piece has a red background, and the dinosaur has spikes all down his back. You did a great job. Next, we're looking for a puzzle piece that has a blue background, and the dinosaur has a tail that's almost as long as his whole body. This one has a blue background, but does it have a long space for the tail? No, it has a short space. This puzzle piece has a blue background with a long space for the tail. Here's our puzzle piece. You're doing so good at this. Next, we're going to find a puzzle piece that has a yellow background with a purple dinosaur. We have 1, 2 puzzle pieces that have a yellow background. Which one has the purple dinosaur? The one on top or the one on bottom? You got it, the one on top. This puzzle piece is yellow background with a purple dinosaur. The next puzzle piece is going to have a blue background and a green dinosaur with spikes on his back. There's only a couple left. Here it is. This puzzle piece has a blue background with a green dinosaur with spikes. 2 left. This should be easy. Our next piece is going to have an orange background. Which of these pieces has an orange background? Awesome! You're so good with your colors. This puzzle piece has an orange background with a green dinosaur. Our last puzzle piece has a yellow background. And here's our last puzzle piece, a yellow background with a green dinosaur, and he looks like he's got a frill around his face. Look at all we found today. We found our numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we found our shapes: square, circle, triangle, star, hexagon, rectangle, heart, cross, minus, and equals. Then we found all sorts of colorful puzzle pieces that had dinosaurs. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I had so much fun learning with you today. I hope you learned something new. Bye-bye.